Welcome back to Product Teardown series by ETEAMS. Today, we'll take apart the Lenovo ThinkPlus K3 Pro, a compact Bluetooth speaker designed for powerful sound in a small form factor. From the outside, the K3 Pro has a sleek cylindrical design with a metal mesh speaker grille. Begin with the bottom. We remove the rubber control pad, which has 5 buttons beneath. After that, unscrew 3 screws to reveal the main component inside. Here, we can see the battery, 1 PCB, and speaker. Now we simply remove the battery and the PCB. The tiny micro USB port also easily detached. Now, we have all components of this speaker. The structure very simple. This is all about housing of the speaker. And this is the main components of Lenovo ThinkPlus K3 Pro. The core is the speaker driver, with a circular diaphragm and magnet assembly. Main PCB, the brain that processes Bluetooth signals, amplifies audio, and manages the battery. Here's the complete teardown layout. Thanks for joining us on this teardown journey. For more deep dives into smart devices, visit eteams.com.vn and follow us for future breakdowns.